Hapara Teacher Dashboard and Hapara Highlights, adding a co-teacher. Why you would do it is when you would have a specialist, a special education teacher, a librarian or other content specialist, or a paraeducator like an educational support professional that could help with supporting these ideas. Supporting progress on student work, just making sure students are getting into it on a timely way, monitoring when students don't understand, and using highlights for those two ideas. Then also supporting students that are getting into some of those executive functions like that independence and their own self-check, like, do I get it? Do I know what to do next? That's where dashboard and highlights comes in handy. Let's take a look. So what this actually allows is you are giving access to Hapara Highlights for that class to another adult. You are also giving access to Hapara's Teacher Dashboard. Remember, that's that window into their Google Drive for your class, the entire class. It's all or nothing. So here's the how, now that we've got the why and the what. Now getting into the how. What you're going to next look at is the first step is log on to Hapara Teacher Dashboard by going to TeacherDashboard.com and signing in as you. Go to your class that you have. Go to the class info section of that, and then you're going to go to teachers and choose add new. So it looks like this. You're going to navigate to TeacherDashboard.com, sign in. Once you're there, you're going to go to all classes or my classes, wherever your class is at. Might look like something like this, and you would eventually click class info, add new. This is where you would type out, paste in that teacher, click add teacher, and after some time that teacher will be able to log in and see all of the students that are here within Teacher Dashboard and Hapara Highlights. We've covered the how to do it. So now remember though, what you're adding is some power. You're adding power to individuals that may already have some training around what to do with that. So that responsibility they have is really to consider that they're going to be encouraging students, that they're cheering them on, getting them ready. They're there to support students, not necessarily to catch them doing it wrong. And the end result is to try to get students to be independent. Adding a co-teacher in Hapara Teacher Dashboard and Highlights.